Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing video creation? In our rapidly advancing digital age, AI is not just a buzzword anymore, but an integral part of various sectors, including video creation. From script writing to post-production enhancements, AI is weaving its magic in ways we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. The intrigue and curiosity surrounding this subject are amplified by the sheer potential of what AI can accomplish. Imagine a world where a movie script is written by AI, or where special effects are generated automatically, or even where actors are replaced by hyper-realistic digital avatars. All of these scenarios are becoming realities thanks to AI. The question that lingers in our minds is not if, but how AI is transforming the landscape of video creation. This is no longer a question of future possibilities, but a reality we are living in. So buckle up and join us as we embark on a journey to understand how AI is changing the face of video creation. The birth of AI in video creation wasn't an overnight phenomenon. It was a gradual process, a journey paved with numerous technological milestones and advancements. The genesis of AI in video creation can be traced back to the early days of computer science, when the concept of artificial intelligence was just a budding idea. Back then, the technology was rudimentary, the algorithms were simple, and the idea of using AI in video creation was nothing more than a distant dream. As the years rolled on, computer science made strides in leaps and bounds. The advent of machine learning, a subset of AI, was a breakthrough. It provided the foundation on which AI could learn and improve on its own. This was a game changer, opening up a world of possibilities. The first milestone in AI's integration into video creation was the development of algorithms capable of recognizing and interpreting visual data. This meant that AI could now understand images and videos, a feat that was once thought to be impossible. Following this, the next big leap was the introduction of neural networks. These are complex algorithms modeled after the human brain, capable of learning from experience. With neural networks, AI could now not only understand visual data, but also generate it. This led to the birth of AI in video creation as we know it today. The use of AI in video creation became more prevalent with the evolution of deep learning. Deep learning algorithms, a more sophisticated form of machine learning, enabled AI to create realistic and high-quality videos. This was the stepping stone to the advanced AI video creation systems we use today. From simple algorithms to complex AI systems, the journey of AI in video creation has been a remarkable one. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Now that we understand where it all began, let's dive into the process of developing in-video AI. Every great invention begins with an idea, and in-video AI is no different. The conceptualization of AI in video creation is a process that is both invigorating and challenging. It starts with identifying the problems that we face in video creation. Is it the time-consuming editing process, or perhaps the difficulty in creating engaging content? Once these problems are pinpointed, it's time to brainstorm solutions. We ask ourselves, how can AI be leveraged to solve these issues? Can it be programmed to automate the editing process, or perhaps trained to gauge viewer engagement and adjust content accordingly? The possibilities are truly limitless. This brainstorming process leads to the formulation of the initial idea for the AI. It's the spark that sets the entire development process in motion. It's the seed from which our AI will grow, and it's the vision that will guide us through the subsequent stages of development. With a clear concept in mind, we move to the next stage, designing. Designing an AI system is like crafting a masterpiece. It is the stage where the concept begins to take form, where the abstract becomes tangible. This journey, my friends, commences with creating algorithms. These algorithms are the foundation, the building blocks of our AI system. They are sets of instructions that guide the AI on how to perform tasks, solve problems, and make decisions. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike. You give them step-by-step instructions, and with practice, they learn to balance, pedal, steer, and stop. Now imagine teaching not just one child, but millions of them simultaneously. That's the scale at which we work when we design AI systems. And that's where machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables the system to learn from data and improve its performance over time. It's like the child learning to ride the bike faster and better with each new ride. To implement machine learning, we then move on to building AI models. These models are the heart of the AI system. They take in data, process it through the algorithms we've created, and generate meaningful outputs. The importance of precision and attention to detail in this stage cannot be overstated. Designing the model is akin to sculpting a statue. Each stroke must be deliberate, each detail meticulously carved. The model must be robust, adaptable, and capable of learning. But we don't stop at creating just one model. Oh no, we create several, each tailored to perform specific tasks. Some models might focus on recognizing speech, others on interpreting emotions, and yet others on predicting trends. It's like assembling an orchestra, where each instrument plays a distinct part, but together, they create a symphony. Once the design is ready, it's time to bring the AI to life through coding. We transform the algorithms and models into lines of code that the computer can understand. It's like translating our masterpiece into a language that can be read, understood, and executed. It's the final step in the design stage, the bridge that connects our idea to reality. Coding is where the magic happens. And it's not just any magic, it's a complex, intricate dance of languages and commands that bring our AI to life. Picture a conductor leading a symphony orchestra, each instrument playing its part to create a harmonious melody. That's what coding is like in the creation of AI for video. The languages used in coding AI are as diverse as the tasks we want our AI to perform. Python, for instance, is widely used due to its simplicity and readability. It's ideal for quick prototyping, and its extensive libraries make it a favorite for AI development. Then there's Java, a versatile language known for its portability across platforms, which is crucial in a world where AI must function on various devices and operating systems. But what about the translation of this code into a functional AI? That's where machine learning comes in. Machine learning algorithms use the code we write to learn, grow, and adapt. They take the data we feed them and use it to make predictions, recognize patterns, and make decisions. It's a bit like teaching a child to recognize shapes. We show them a square, a circle, a triangle over and over until they can recognize these shapes on their own. Coding AI is a process that requires precision and patience. There's no room for error. A single misplaced character can turn an elegant piece of code into a jumbled mess. It's like baking a cake. One wrong ingredient and the whole thing could flop. But when done correctly, the results can be extraordinary. The coding process is also iterative. We write code, we test it, we refine it, and then we do it all over again. It's a cycle of continuous improvement, a journey towards perfection. It's a journey that's filled with challenges, but the rewards are worth it. With the coding complete, the AI is ready for testing. The stage is set, the players are in place, and now it's time to see if our AI can perform the symphony we've composed for it. It's time to see the magic of coding come to life. No AI system is perfect right off the bat. Like a chef perfecting a recipe, creators of in-video AI must test and refine their work, ensuring the system functions as intended. This stage is crucial, as it helps identify and rectify any errors or flaws in the system. Consider it as a quality check. An AI, even one designed for video creation, is a complex piece of technology. It's not a simple matter of, if it works, it's done. No, far from it. We test it, fine-tune it, and test it again. We might go through this cycle dozens, even hundreds of times. Why? Because we want the AI to not just work, but to excel, to be as efficient and effective as possible. We strive to refine the technology to the point where its performance is not just satisfactory, but outstanding. And only then, when we are confident that we have squeezed every last drop of potential from our creation, we can say, after rigorous testing and refining, the InVideo AI is ready for deployment. That, in a nutshell, is how InVideo AI comes to life. From the sparking of the initial idea to the birth of AI in video creation, we've taken an enlightening journey together. We started with conceptualization, where the magic of creativity meets the logic of technology. We then moved on to designing, a stage that requires a delicate balance of aesthetics and functionality. Next, we dove into the world of coding, a meticulous process of transforming designs into a working model. It's in this stage where the InVideo AI really starts to take shape. Finally, we arrived at testing and refining, the final and perhaps most crucial stage. This is where we iron out the wrinkles, polish the rough edges, and fine-tune our creation to ensure it's ready for the world to see. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, who knows what the future holds for AI in video creation?